Hello everyone, greetings of the day. This video is exclusively made for CA Foundation students who have written their examinations recently. Dear students, you can assess your expected marks based on the probable suggested answers that we release in our website mastermindsindia.com. After going through the probable suggested answers, if you feel that you are not confident to score the qualifying marks, then you need not worry. You can join in CA Inter through CA and CMA integrated program, which is an innovative academic program that is exclusively offered by Masterminds. And to know complete details about this program, watch this video till the end. And this video is a game changer. Yes, definitely it changes your game. To know how, watch the video till the end. And the content that we present in this video is equally applicable to both the parents as well as the students. And this video is mainly applicable for students who have written their CA Foundation examinations in June 2023 attempt. And people watching this video after that date, you need to update with the latest information. And the things that we present in this video are based on the information that we have till June 16, 2023. You please update yourself with the latest changes if required. Now, let us move on further and try to know the differences between CA and CMA courses. You know, CA stands for Chartered Accountancy and CMA stands for Cost and Management Accountancy. Coming to the syllabus of CA and CMA courses, 90% of the syllabus of CA and CMA courses are one and the same. And CAs are mostly specialized in auditing, taxation, accountancy, and CMAs are mostly specialized in costing. Coming to the differences in opportunities, CAs and CMAs will enjoy equal opportunities. And CMAs find more opportunities in the public sector also. And if they want, they can set up their own practice. And this is equally applicable to both CA and CMA courses. Coming to the foreign opportunities, today CAs and CMAs are having innumerable foreign opportunities because Indian CA and CMA courses are today recognized globally in many countries. So that is the reason you find better opportunities. Of course, you need to write some legal papers which changes from country to country. So basing on the country in which you want to go, you need to write some papers there and you can definitely settle there very well. And CA and CMA courses will have equal standards, but the CA question papers are little bit of higher standard compared to CMA. And in this video, whenever I use CAF, it implies CA Foundation, and whenever I use CMAF, it implies CMA Foundation. Now, let us try to understand the differences between CA Inter and CMA Inter. Because to understand better about this CA and CMA Inter integrated program, definitely you need to understand a little bit about CA Inter and CMA Inter. Now, first of all, let us try to understand the CA course structure. In CA course, the new scheme will be applicable from July 1st, 2023, and the students who have written their CA Foundation examinations in June 2023 attempt, definitely they need to register themselves in new scheme only. And the old scheme will be applicable only up to November 2023, and from May 2024, you will come under new scheme. And what are the major changes that are proposed in CA Inter under new scheme? The biggest thing is the elimination of two subjects, that is Enterprise Information Systems and Economics for Finance in CA Inter level. Both these subjects are eliminated and automatically the syllabus will also come down. Earlier we have 8 papers in CA Inter, now we will have only 6 papers. And earlier we have MCQs in only 4 papers, but now we have 30% MCQs in all the papers, which is very much advantageous thing. And this is the same case in CMA Inter also. The stages in CA course under new syllabus, we have CA Foundation for 6 months, and the second stage we have CA Inter for 9 to 10 months, and in third stage we have practical training for 2 years, and in the fourth stage we have CA Final for 6 months. So this is the thing which you need to understand. Now, generally CA Foundation examinations will be conducted in the months of June and December, and CA Inter and Final examinations will be conducted in the months of May and November. The registration cutoff dates for CA Inter are for CA Foundation, 30th June and 31st December are the cutoff dates. If you are writing for December attempt, 30th June is the cutoff date, and if you are writing for June attempt, 31st December is the cutoff date. For CA Inter, 31st August for May attempt is the cutoff date, and 28th February is the cutoff date for November attempt. Now, after looking at CA course structure, let us move on to know about CMA course structure once. And already in CMA, new scheme has been started in the year 2022 itself. And all the students who are registering now will come under new scheme only. Now coming to the stages of CMA course, in the first stage you will have CMA Foundation for 6 months, and in the second stage you will have CMA Inter for 9 to 10 months. In the third stage you will have practical training for 15 months. Of course, minimum of 10 months is sufficient to appear for CMA final examinations, and you can write CMA final examinations immediately after practical training. Now, when will these CMA examinations are conducted? Exams for all stages are conducted in June and December, and there will be no clash with the CA exams. Many people think that there will be a clash between CA and CMA exams. No, there will be no clash between CA and CMA exams, because CMA exams are happening in the months of June and December. So there will be no clash. Now coming to the registration cutoff dates, 31st January is the cutoff date for June attempt, and 31st July is the cutoff date for December attempt. And the same will apply to all the stages of CMA course. Now coming to the subjects or papers in CA and CMA Inter. In CA Inter new scheme you will have 6 papers. So the first paper will be Advanced Accounting. See, earlier we used to have Advanced Accounting and Accounting as 2 separate papers, but now they are merged and made into one paper, that is Advanced Accounting. And paper 2 is Corporate Laws, paper 3 Cost and Management Accounting, paper 4 Taxation, which includes Income Tax and GST, and paper 5 is Auditing and Code of Ethics, and paper 6 is Financial Management and Strategic Management. Now let us see the papers in CMA Inter as per 2022 scheme. So paper 5 is Business Laws and Ethics. See, in CMA Inter, the count of the papers start from paper 5, because the first 4 papers you will complete in CMA Foundation itself. Now paper 5 is Business Laws and Ethics. So ethics is definitely a very important small area which will have 10% coverage in the examination. And paper 6 is about Financial Accounting, paper 7 is Direct and Indirect Taxation, paper 8 is Cost Accounting, paper 9 is Operations Management and Strategic Management. Of course, this Operations Management you will not find in CA Inter, but you will find in CMA Inter. And paper 10 is Corporate Accounting and Auditing, paper 11 is Financial Accounting, and we have a new subject, that is Business Data Analytics. And paper 12 is Management Accounting. So if you can observe, the subjects in CA Inter and CMA Inter are almost same, except Operations Management, Business Data Analytics and Ethics. So this is the reason we say that the syllabus of CA and CMA Inter is almost 90% one and the same. Now let me try to tell you about the eligibility to register for CA Inter. This is the most important part of the video. Pay utmost attention. The first thing is, if you want to register for CA Inter, the first route that everyone knows is to qualify in CA Foundation. But apart from that, we also have another route that is called as direct entry route. If you are a qualified degree student with commerce background, you need to have 55%. And if you are from non-commerce background, you need to have 60% in your degree. So this is another route of direct entry. And there is one more route of direct entry, that is you need to qualify in CMA Inter. In how many ways you can enter into CA Inter? The first route is qualifying in CA Foundation, and the second one is direct entry route. So in direct entry route, either you can enter through qualifying degree or you can enter through qualifying CMA Inter also. So the main logic of designing CA and CMA Inter integrated program by masterminds is based on this particular route, that is qualifying CMA Inter and then registering for CA Inter. And what about the articleship for degree completed students? See, in the existing scheme, students coming from degree shall finish 9 months of articleship. But under the new scheme of CA Inter, students can directly register for CA Inter. That means either if you are a degree completed student or a CMA Inter completed students, you can directly register for CA Inter without doing the articleship. Now, what about the articleship for CMA Inter qualified students to register for CA Inter? I already have told you, under old and new scheme, students can directly register. Articleship after qualifying the CA Inter can be done. Now, what is the eligibility to register for CMA Inter? So, the eligibility to register for CMA Inter is you need to qualify in CMA Foundation. That is the most known route by everyone, and you can register for CMA Inter after qualifying your degree, or if you qualify your CA Inter both groups, even then you can register for CMA Inter. Now, in Masterminds, you can find coaching for CA Inter exclusive batch. CA Inter exclusive batch means only CA Inter will be taught, and students who have qualified CA Foundation can join in this batch. And also we will have CMA Inter exclusive batch. Students who have qualified CMA Foundation can join in CMA Inter exclusive batch, where coaching is offered exclusively for CMA Inter. And we have the most innovative program, that is CA and CMA Inter integrated program. So this needs some explanation. So in how many ways we teach in this program? See, in the first step, you will listen to all the classes of CA Inter if you join in CA and CMA Inter integrated program. In the second step, we will teach the exclusive chapters of CMA Inter. In the third step, you will write and qualify both the groups of CMA Inter. And in the fourth step, once you qualify both the groups of CMA Inter, you will register for CA Inter, and after completion of 9 months, you will write CA Inter examinations. Now, let me tell you the difference in hours of coaching. For CA Inter or CMA Inter exclusive batch, we will offer 1600 to 1700 hours of coaching. Because under new scheme, CMA Inter syllabus has also been increased drastically. And in CMA Inter exclusive chapters, you will have nearly 275 hours of coaching, but it is enough if you go for 225 hours of coaching. Of course, this information may change because once the new syllabus of CA Inter is also announced, the things may change. Now let us try to understand the different possibilities for a CA Foundation student to write CMA Inter examinations. See, as I have already told you, in the CA and CMA Inter integrated academic program, the student will first qualify CMA Inter and later on will write for CA Inter. This is the procedure. Now, first let us analyze different situations. Now, situation number 1. For example, if a student has already registered for CMA Foundation and is going to write CMA Foundation on July 16th. So, what is the procedure to be adopted? So, what the student has to do is, he has to join in CA Inter pre-results regular batch on July 6th. On July 6th, we are going to start CA Inter pre-regular batch at Masterminds. So, you should first join in CA Inter pre-results batch on July 6th. And we will play the videos of CMA Foundation of exclusive chapters. You can watch those videos, you can prepare well, and you can take your examination on July 16th. And once you write your examination on July 16th, the results will be announced within 30 days. So after the announcement of results, you can write your examinations in June 2024. You may say, sir, why can't I write the examination in December 2023? You cannot do that. Of course, technically it is possible, but you cannot do that. The reason is the coaching itself takes around 8 months. So after the announcement of results in August, the coaching itself takes some 8 months. So you cannot write your examinations in December 2023. So you need to write your CMA Inter examinations in June 2024 attempt only. And the registration for June 2024 attempt will be 31st January 2024. So this is situation number 1. Now, under situation number 2, a student may ask, sir, I have already registered for CMA Foundation, but I did not write the examination on July 16th. Or I have appeared for July 23 CMA Foundation examination, but I have failed. What to do? So in this situation, what you need to do is, so first you need to join for CA Inter pre-results regular batch on July 6th, and then you can write your CMA Foundation examination in December 2023 attempt. And as usual, the results will be announced within 30 days. And already you know, the last date for June 24 attempt CMA Inter registration is January 31st. Whenever the results are announced lately, automatically the registration date will also be extended. You need not worry about that. And there is situation number 3. You may ask, sir, I have not yet registered for CMA Foundation. What should I do? Even then you can join in CA and CMA Inter integrated program. Because it is not at all a wise thing to pursue CA alone. It is always a better idea to pursue CA and CMA courses together. Now, as CA Foundation examinations will finish by June 30, what the thing is, you need to just register yourself for CMA Foundation by July 31st. You finish it off immediately. And once you register for CMA Foundation, you can write your CMA Foundation in December 2023 attempt. So once the results comes, you can immediately prepare and write your CMA Inter examination in June 2024 attempt. Because as I have already told you, CMA Inter registration last date for June 2024 attempt is January 31st. So if you can observe, I have given you 3 situations where you can join in this CA and CMA Inter integrated program and write your CMA Inter examination in June 2024 attempt and write your CA Inter attempt in May 2025 attempt. So this is the biggest thing which you need to observe. Whether you qualify your CMA Foundation, whether you fail in your CMA Foundation, or whether you have not registered for your CMA Foundation, all these 3 categories of students can definitely join in CA and CMA Inter integrated program and can happily write their CMA Inter examination in June 2024 attempt. Now, let me tell you the details of CA and CMA Inter integrated batch in more detail. Masterminds is the first and only institution to design and successfully implement this academic program so far. You may ask me, sir, why don't other institutes offer the same? They can't. The reason is, generally institutes will have experience either in CA course or in CMA course. But to run this kind of academic program, we need to have extensive knowledge of both CA and CMA courses. Only then we can have this kind of innovative program. And the biggest challenge of this innovative program is we need to have a very clear, detailed, meticulous academic program. Otherwise, this program will not be successful. And is this a separate batch? Yes, this will be a separate batch in Guntur CA and CMA Inter integrated program. Now, you may ask, how coaching is offered to the students of CA Inter pre-results regular batches? So, for example, if a student joins in CA Inter pre-results regular batch, how the coaching will be offered? Let me tell you. So, CA Inter syllabus may get completed by February 15th, and we will teach the exclusive chapters of CMA Inter for another 25 to 30 days, approximately for 250 hours, and we will conduct study hours and revision examinations for CMA Inter for 2.5 to 3 months. And these students will write CMA Inter public examinations in the second week of June. Now, you may ask me, sir, how coaching is offered to the students who have joined in CA Inter post-results regular batches? See, we constantly enlighten the students to always join for pre-results regular batches only. Because you will have lot of time to prepare for your examinations. But anyway, CA Inter syllabus for this post results regular batches will be completed by March 15th. And after completion of the syllabus, we will teach exclusive chapters of CMA Inter for another 25 to 30 days, approximately for 250 hours. And we will conduct study hours and revision examinations on CMA Inter for 2 to 2.5 months, and CMA Inter public examinations will be held in the second week of June. Now, you may ask me, sir, what about CA Inter? See, the main objective of this CA and CMA Inter-integrated program is to make you to qualify both CMA Inter and CA Inter. First, you will qualify in CMA Inter, later on you will qualify CA Inter. So, as I have already told you, you will qualify CMA Inter both groups in June 2024 attempt, and the results will be announced before 25th August 2024. After that, you can register for CA Inter before 31st August. And you can write CA Inter examinations in May 2025. You may ask me, sir, there is time gap of some 8 to 10 months. What should I do in that time? You need not sit idle after qualifying your CMA Inter. You can prepare well for your CMA final parallelly while preparing for CA Inter. You need not sit idle and you need not waste time. Now, the biggest part is joining an integrated batch is better, even if you want to write CMA Inter alone rather than CMA Inter exclusive batch. Sir, why you are making this statement? Already we are offering CMA Inter exclusive batch. Then why you are asking us to join in CMA and CA integrated program? The reason and logic are very simple. See, you can easily crack CMA Inter once you take CA Inter coaching. It is just like, once you take coaching for IIT and JEE, then things become very easy to write some state level examinations like MCET. The logic is the same here. So once you have taken CA Inter coaching, by joining in CA and CMA Inter integrated batch, things become so easy and you can easily crack CMA Inter. And definitely you will always have the edge, because if you can observe, even CMA Inter question paper standards are also evolving. And for example, in future, if you want to appear for CA Inter also after qualifying CMA Inter, yes, you can easily do that because already you have taken coaching for CA Inter. So this is the biggest advantage. But if you join in CMA Inter exclusive batch, what happens? You will be offered coaching only for CMA Inter subjects, and later on if you change your mind, if you make up your mind to write for CA Inter, then again you need to get some training, some coaching on the exclusive chapters of CA Inter, which again takes some more time and money and resources. So if you join in CA and CMA Inter integrated batch, the biggest advantage is you will get coaching for all the subjects of CA Inter, and later on you can take coaching on exclusive chapters of CMA Inter and you can finish up both CMA Inter and CA Inter one after another. You may ask me, sir, what are the evidences? See, if you observe, so far we got 98 All India ranks in CMA Inter and final of February 2022 results, including the first and second rank. And we have 125 All India ranks in CMA Inter and final of September 2022 results, including first and second ranks. If you can observe, all these students have written both CA and CMA Inter and final. So this is one part of the evidence which you can understand what is the advantage of taking coaching for both CA and CMA together. So for example, if you join in CMA Inter exclusive batch and in future, can you appear for CA Inter examinations on your own? This may be your question. So if you ask that question, it takes some time because you have only taken for CMA course and now you want to write CA. Now what do you have to do? You have to take coaching for exclusive chapters of CA Inter for around 200 hours. And the biggest thing is the standards of the material and the examination will be very high. And basing on CA Inter coaching, it is very easy to appear for CMA Inter, but not vice versa. If you have taken CMA Inter coaching and want to write CA Inter examinations, that may not be very easy. So it is always better you join for CA and CMA Inter integrated program. Now you may have certain questions in your mind, so let me clear some of them. You may ask me, sir, in masterminds, more than 90% of students will qualify CMA foundation. Will the opportunities be poor? See, generally in CMA foundation, the things may be easy, but in CMA Inter and final, things are not so easy. The standards of CMA Inter and final are very good. So definitely, even though you have very good pass percentage, the things will not be as easy as you have expected. And coming to opportunities, you need not worry. For CMA qualified candidates, you have number of job opportunities not only in India but also in abroad. Not only in the private sector but also in the public sector, you have lot of opportunities. In manufacturing sector, you have lot of opportunities. In BPOs, you have lot of opportunities. So you need not worry about the opportunities for CMA qualified candidates. Now, sir, you may ask me another question. Sir, is this batch suitable for students pursuing CMA foundation alone? See, not only for CMA foundation, even for such students who are pursuing CMA foundation alone, it is better to join in this CA and CMA integrated batch rather than joining in CMA Inter exclusive regular batch because of the advantages we have discussed earlier. Or if you want to join in CMA Inter exclusive batch only, yes, that CMA Inter exclusive batch is available in Guntur. You can come here and you can join in CMA Inter exclusive batch. Otherwise, if you study at any of our branches, you can join in CA and CMA Inter integrated batch. Now, another question. A student has written CA foundation for 2 or more times, but he is not confident to qualify now. What shall he do now? It is better you join in CA and CMA Inter integrated program. That will be the best thing for you. And now another question. Is this batch suitable to the students who failed CA foundation for the first time? See, generally we don't recommend. The best thing is to hold on and try CA foundation one more time. So you may ask me, sir, in CA foundation, what should I join? Yes, you can either join for crash batch or study hours or revision examinations based on your conceptual clarity and the marks that you get in CA foundation. Now, another question. After joining for integrated batch, is it required for students to seriously prepare and write CA foundation examinations once again in December 2023? See, if you seriously think of writing CA foundation examinations once again in December 2023, you are missing the main objective of this CA and CMA inter-integrated academic program. Because what is the objective of this academic program, this exclusive academic program? The main objective is to qualify CMA Inter first and pursue CA Inter through CMA Inter. Then why are you worried about CA foundation again? Once you enroll for this batch, no need to think about CA foundation. You can focus yourself on qualifying CMA Inter and clear your CA Inter later. So the first priority will be CA Inter classes. You listen to CA and CMA Inter classes seriously. Okay. But if you say, sir, no, I want to go for CA foundation once again in December 2023 attempt, then it is better you join in CA foundation crash batch or study hours and revision exam batch. If you really wanted to pursue CA foundation and to write CA foundation very seriously once again in December 2023 attempt. And for example, still you cannot come out of that particular thing, and if you want to write CA foundation in December 2023 attempt, then join in pre-results batch. You will definitely find some time on Sundays. You can prepare on Sundays, or you can prepare for 1 or 2 hours every day for CA Foundation, and you can write your CA Foundation examinations in December 2023 attempt. And sir, will you stop CA Inter classes during CA Foundation examinations? See, we will not stop CA Inter classes for the sake of CA Foundation examinations. If you want to write casually, yes, go on write, but we are not going to stop our classes. And if you miss the classes, yes, we will provide the videos and we will give access to your mobile phones. You can watch the classes which you have missed, but we are not going to stop the classes of the integrated batch. Okay. Now, sir, can students who have qualified CA Foundation join this program? See, admission will not be given for such students who have qualified CA Foundation, because for them this is not the route. They have to join in CA Inter regular batches only. So this program is for students who wants to first clear their CMA Inter and then later pursue CA Inter. This is not for the students who have qualified CA Foundation and looking forward to complete their CA Inter. And say for example, if such students who have joined in CA Inter regular batches, if they want to write CMA Inter, what is the procedure? The procedure is very simple. After CA Inter exams, we will conduct separate classes to teach CMA Inter exclusive chapters, and you can attend those classes, or the videos will be available in our app. You can purchase those videos and you can take the coaching of that CMA Inter exclusive chapters and you can write your examination. But dear students and parents, the most important thing is taking the right decision at the right time. This is the master key for success. So you need to think well, you need to gather all the information. You contact people at Masterminds, you will get much more valuable information. Based on that, you take right decision at the right time. And for more details on CA Inter exclusive regular batches in Masterminds, you can watch this exclusive video. And for more details on CMA Inter exclusive regular batches in Masterminds, you can watch this exclusive video. So this is all about CA and CMA Inter integrated program, an innovative academic program that is exclusively offered by Masterminds, showing you the route to clear CA Inter through the route of CMA Inter. I hope this video is very much helpful to you to make right decision for your career. All the best. Thank you.
By the way, here are the few details about Masterminds. Masterminds is a premier institution offering coaching from Inter MEC CEC to CA-CMA final with an annual admissions of nearly 20,000. Here are a few details. For the aspirants of BBA or MBA or law courses, we also offer an innovative academic program called MEC CEC Pro. Here are the details. So don't forget to install our app for a lot of useful content. Happy to share that students from this many states are studying with us. Thanks to our alumni for their wonderful support. Here are the details of our online presence and here are the details of our physical presence. You can directly interact with any of the directors of Masterminds. Here are their contact details. If you find this video to be useful, like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Share your opinions or suggestions or improvements on this video in the comment section. Whenever you want to pay any fee in Masterminds, then directly go to the cash counter, pay the fee, so collect the receipt and check whether the receipt is correctly given or not. If you find any abnormalities or mistakes in the receipt, then so ask the cashier to take back that receipt and give you the correct receipt. Never pay cash to any of the employees of Masterminds except the cashier. Remember, Masterminds management is responsible only for the money which is being paid in the cash counter and a valid receipt is obtained for them. For any reason, if you pay any amount to any of the employees of the Masterminds other than cashier, then we are not responsible. Thank you. All the best.